Hi friends, it's me, Mr. Camel. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is doing okay. Today I'm going to read a book for you. It's called My Truck is Stuck. The truck was coming down to the road, and it was a hole in the road, but he didn't see it. He was coming into a hole. Can you see it? Oh no. Oh no. What do you think it's gonna do? He started asking for help. Help, help. Does anyone have to make my stuck truck go? Please help. Yes, help. Oh dear. Rotten luck. Can't go. My truck is stuck. They're trying to help him, but they couldn't help. Help, help. Somebody please help me. It was a truck coming. He was asking for help. Rotten luck. Thank God my truck is stuck. The car and the truck trying to help. But no, wasn't a good luck for them. Help, help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. It was a jeep. He was asking for help. Rotten luck. My truck is stuck. Everybody was trying to help, but no, nobody couldn't do it. Help, please, help. Does anyone know how to make my stuck truck go? Beep, beep. A bus was coming, but also someone was calling someone on the phone. Did you see that? And now look, everyone was trying to help. The bus, the truck, the jeep, everyone. But nobody couldn't do it. Rotten luck. Thank God my truck is stuck. Oh no, what do you think is gonna happen? Oh, honk honk. No need to panic. Here comes the top truck with the mechanic. Oh yeah, Mr. Mechanic. I'm sure you know how to make my stuck truck go. Sure, to move it on this way. Just hook it up and here we go. What a luck! My truck is not stuck anymore. Yay! Mr. Mechanic with his truck help. Yeah! Vroom, vroom, vroom. Ready to go. Here we go. Now they can go. Everyone was going. Now everybody was moving. Oh, and look at what happened. Oh, the cargo and the truck was gone. Did you see that? Who's taking it? Haha. It was a big, great big luck. Ha 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 ha. The end. Well, I hope you like it. And I hope I can see you soon. Bye, my friends. Take care and be safe. Bye.